When they were young, they loved to eat this kitchen condiment, and when they got older, they didn't expect their grandmothers to get wrinkle-free. Smooth, plump skin is the dream of many people, especially women. But as you get older, your face starts to get wrinkles. To overcome this, many choose skin care products. Some people prefer surgery. With the help of surgery, facial wrinkles can disappear really quickly. However, it is very expensive. That's why I recommend using this kitchen spice. Because it has been found that this spice can get rid of wrinkles on the face. Anti-wrinkle product collagen is the most abundant protein in our body and is found in every part of the skin. The function of collagen itself is to overcome the signs of premature aging so that your skin is always supple, smooth and radiant. Collagen also helps regenerate skin cells, helping skin stay hydrated and healthy. The problem is that many people believe that skincare products containing collagen can nourish the skin and prevent premature skin aging. This is not entirely true. Collagen molecules on their own are too large to be absorbed by the skin. So, the best way to increase collagen levels in your skin is to eat foods that contain collagen. So don't get me wrong again. Increase the amount of collagen in your body by e.a. 1. Paprika. Hey, who hates chili? What a waste of time, because paprika has a high collagen content. That's thanks to the vitamin C content in chili peppers. There is also the capsaicin content that makes chili peppers a bit spicy, but can be used as there is also the capsaicin content that makes chili peppers a bit spicy, but can be used as an anti-inflammatory to prevent premature aging. 2. Chicken. If we look closely at raw chicken, we will definitely see white thread in the chicken. Turns out white fibers are collagen, you know. 3. Fish. In addition to chicken, many different types of fish also contain collagen, which is found precisely in bones and ligaments. In fact, some people think that even the collagen found in fish is much easier for the body to absorb than collagen from other foods. But what you need to know, there are some parts that are filled with collagen, such as the head or the eyes. 4. Citrus fruit. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons and limes, are known to be rich in vitamin C. Fortunately, vitamin C was found to play an important role in procollagen production, following that can become collagen in the body. In other words, eating citrus fruits regularly can facilitate collagen production in the body. 5. Garlic. Yes, not only for overall health, but garlic is also very good for the skin, especially the production of collagen for the skin. This is possible because garlic itself is high in sulfur, so it can prevent collagen from being broken down and reduced in our body. 6. Egg whites. Well, the egg whites themselves don't seem to contain any collagen. But egg whites actually contain proline, an amino acid that is very important for collagen production in the body. 7. Tomatoes. Like citrus fruits, tomatoes themselves are also rich in vitamin C. In fact, just eating one medium tomato can get you 30% of total collagen nutrition our body needs. In addition, tomatoes themselves contain lycopene, which is full of antioxidants and is very good for our skin.
8. Celery. If there are signs of aging on the face such as wrinkles, you should immediately treat it with natural ingredients. One of the natural ingredients that can remove facial wrinkles is celery. You can simply use celery as a face mask once every 3 weeks.
Here's how to get rid of wrinkles with celery. Ingredients. Celery honey. How to make. 1. Blend the celery in a blender until a dough is formed. 2. Add honey and mix well. 3. Apply celery mask to face and neck. 4. Let dry for 15 minutes. 5. Gently rub and rinse with clean water. It's easy to wrinkle with celery, right? Now, try it.